You trying to wake her? Violet.
Come on, Puddin'.
You're bothering her terribly. Oh, don't they say pinch her nose a little bit?
Pinch?
Or bother her nose to make sure she's okay?
No. I can bother all of her nose and she can sleep through it.
No, she just moved her lips a bit.
Hello. What are you doing? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Go away. Smile.
Alright.
Happy sad. Happy sad.
She's worn out after her bath, I guess. It was the most action we've seen. It's not inside her mouth. What about her hands?
How about taking on her belly?
She is alive, right? She is, right?
Yes.
Oh. Babe. Aww.
Oh, here's a big stretch.
Here, save her hands. Oh, the poor creature.
You in there?
Don't pry the eyelids. No, that's a rude awakening. Bother her hands.
How about ears?
Okay, so we know for a fact that she's asleep. In a very deep sleep.
She sleeps like a log. Like her mama. Wow.
You see how hard it is to wake her for feeding?
No kidding.
Hi. Alright.
Oh, she's awake.
I see.
Hands up.
You're under arrest.
Oh, yes.
She's gonna be pissed. Okay, I'm not gonna video anymore because she's not gonna.
Not gonna do anything interesting. Oh, I saw an eye. I saw an eye.
I'm very tired, girl.
I saw an eye. Oh, sweetie. Oh, you're so flopsy. Why aren't you writhing?
Okay. Alright, Violet, we're not gonna bother you anymore.
Boop.